Hello? In this video we will make this amazing text effect.
So first of all, open the thumbnail page, then select an image, with a background, now select a shape, customize it, change the color, now go to transparency, go to edge, sort by graph, select this one, right, change the font, go there, change the color to white, switch to shape and add the design. Now again customize it, now duplicate, and get element. New page, paste it here, download it here, and transparent background download. Get this one and paste the downloaded image. Now click vertical and customize. Now again go to Have, search for image blender, media, so it's right. Now save and download this image. Now new page and delete this one. Go to elements and paste that image. Now go to edge and search for blend image. Now customize the page. So you will like this. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for new videos. Thank you.